The 1798 Irish Rebellion, what really happened? The 1798 Irish Rebellion was one of the bloodiest and most significant uprisings in Ireland's history, driven by a powerful desire for freedom and equality. Inspired by the ideals of the American and French revolutions, the United Irishmen, a group of Protestants and Catholics united under a shared vision, sought to break free from British rule and end centuries of division. Their dream was a republic where Irish people, regardless of religion, could stand together as equals. However, the road to rebellion was steeped in hardship. Poor harvests, heavy taxation, and political oppression fueled resentment across the countryside. When the uprising finally erupted in May 1798, it spread rapidly through counties like Wexford, Wicklow, and Antrim. Ordinary farmers, armed with little more than pikes, rose against well-equipped British troops and loyalist militias. For a time, victories like the Battle of Ular Hill gave rebels hope that change was possible. But the rebellion was brutally crushed. British forces responded with overwhelming violence, massacres, and widespread destruction. By the end of the summer, an estimated 30,000 lives had been lost, most of them Irish rebels and civilians. Leaders such as Wolfe Tone, often called the father of Irish republicanism, were captured, imprisoned, or executed. What really happened in 1798 was more than a failed uprising, it was a turning point. The rebellion exposed Ireland's deep hunger for liberty, unity, and justice, while also showing the devastating cost of resistance. Though defeated, the spirit of 1798 lived on, shaping future generations in Ireland's fight for independence. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos on YouTube.